Hello everyone, let's begin our new video. Let's make a sentence. He must be afraid. He must, good job, be afraid. Well done. Ho-ho. He must be afraid. He must be afraid. Hurry up, learn more sentences. I have a black eye. I have, good job, a black, well done, eye. Hooray! I have a black eye. I have a black eye. Good job. I have brown hair. I have, good job, brown hair. Perfect. Hoo-hoo. I have brown hair. I have brown hair. Learning is an adventure. Let's explore together. I want to help, but I cannot. I want, good job, to help. Well done. But I, perfect, can not. Hooray! I want to help, but I can not. I want to help, but I cannot. You are learning so perfect. She came by train. She came, well done, by train. Good job. Ho-ho. She came by train. She came by train. Keep learning, keep shining. You all did well. You all, well done, did well. Good job. Ho-ho. You all did well. You all did well. Good job. You are doing well. I can do it. I can, well done, do it. Good job. Ho-ho. I can do it. I can do it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You cannot eat here. You can, well done, not eat. Good job. Here. Ho-ho. You can not eat here. You cannot eat here. The more you learn, the more you grow. Collect your special gift. Thank you for watching this video.